gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Let me show you something cool first. With just a smooth 4-finger swipe, the device switches from tablet mode straight into PC mode. It's unbelievably fluid. This is the Huawei MatePad Edge, a HarmonyOS 2-in-1 that actually feels like it's redefining what a 2-in-1 should be. I've tried plenty of so-called hybrid devices before, but they were either just tablets wearing a keyboard case or laptops pretending to be tablets. It wasn't until I started using this one that I finally felt what a real HarmonyOS 2-in-1 experience is supposed to be. One device, multiple roles, all done right. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now let's talk about the hardware, because that's where it immediately stands out. What struck me first is how adaptable it is. You can use it as a regular tablet, flip open the stand to turn it into a viewing setup, or snap on the keyboard to make it a full computer. Switching between these 3 modes feels effortless. On the side, there's a fully functional USB 3.1 port that handles charging, data transfer, and even monitor output, all through a single cable. The whole body is crafted from 6 Series aviation-grade aluminum, so it feels premium in your hands. And at just 780 grams, tossing it into your backpack won't even register as extra weight. Now check out this massive 14.2-inch flexible OLED Cloud Tin soft light display. Big screen is an understatement. The bezels are only 4.1 millimeters, giving it a stunning 94% screen-to-body ratio. No notches, no punch holes, just pure, uninterrupted visuals. HDR content looks incredible, with shadow details staying sharp and bright, areas staying comfortable for your eyes. Plus, the 3.1K resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate keep everything, from scrolling pages to watching movies, super smooth. The colors are so rich and lifelike that the screen almost feels like a window into reality. And the audio experience, honestly, it caught me off guard. It comes with 6 speakers covering both high and low frequencies. The bass hits hard without muddying the sound, and the treble stays crisp without being sharp. Pair it with Huawei's FreeClip 2 earbuds, and you get a 360-degree surround sound experience that feels like carrying a mini cinema with you. If the hardware is the body of this device, then HarmonyOS's dual-state, dual-mode design is definitely its soul. This is where the MatePad Edge truly separates itself from everything else. It's not just a mashup of tablet apps and desktop apps, it's a fully blended ecosystem that works seamlessly whether you're working or relaxing. In tablet mode, it instantly becomes your creative studio. Open the built-in drawing app, pick up the Huawei M Pencil Pro, and you can jump straight into sketching. The gravity fluid brush is especially fun. Tilt the tablet and the paint actually flows. When you're doing watercolor work, the blending and spreading look just like real paper and pigment. The stylus response is almost instant, with no delay at all. It even supports quick menu calls with the tip and brush adjustments with side rotation. Combine that with the matte screen texture, and writing feels satisfyingly close to pen on paper, complete with that light, scratchy sound. Anyone who loves art or design is going to get hooked immediately. Switch over to PC mode, and the MatePad Edge becomes a productivity machine. Open WPS to type reports or make presentations, resize windows, and multitask exactly like you would on a computer. Even editing 4K video in CapCut is smooth. Timeline drags are fluid, and export times are fast with no waiting around. You can even run professional tools like AutoCAD with ease. Zooming into drawings, tweaking measurements, making adjustments, it all feels effortless. For designers and engineers, this means leaving the heavy laptop behind. The MatePad Edge can handle the job on its own. Another great thing is that files move seamlessly between the 2 modes. If you start working on a report in computer mode but want to continue editing while relaxing on the couch, you can switch to tablet mode instantly. Everything syncs automatically, so there's no need to copy files around or worry about version mismatches. This is what real integration looks like. Now, a lot of people may wonder whether a slim 2-in-1 can actually deliver strong performance. The Huawei MatePad Edge handles that concern head-on with its cooling system and power setup. There's a through-flow air channel built into the back, over 4,000 cooling holes on the stand, and inside the body are dual diamond aluminum fans. It even packs a high-end liquid cooling plate with an ultra-thin heat dissipation film, all working together to keep temperatures down. Thanks to this system, it consistently outputs 28 watts of performance, matching what you usually expect from lightweight laptops. And in real-world use, the performance absolutely holds up. Playing PUBG Mobile in 1440p Ultra HD stays smooth without any stutters, and the large screen not only responds quickly, but also gives you a much wider field of view than a phone, which makes gameplay feel more controlled and confident. Opening heavy WPS spreadsheets happens instantly, and scrolling through big data sheets stays smooth. Even CapCut Pro, which normally pushes computers pretty hard, exported a high-quality 4K project faster than my old laptop. While doing all that, the device only warmed up slightly, never uncomfortably hot. What surprised me even more is how stable it stays in different usage scenarios. Whether you're sketching outside in tablet mode or reviewing files in stand mode, everything runs fluidly. The battery life is solid too, easily lasting through most of a workday. And if you ever run low, the 140-watt super fast charging is a lifesaver, about 76% in just 30 minutes. Even a quick 10-minute charge is enough to keep you going for a while. Looking at the overall experience, the Huawei MatePad Edge really delivers that feeling of 1 + 1 is greater than 2. It's not just stitching a tablet and laptop together, it blends the portability and creativity of a tablet with the productivity of a laptop through HarmonyOS in a way that feels truly unified. Its 3 form factors cover all kinds of situations, and the dual ecosystem supports pretty much every need. Combine that with impressive performance and an excellent audio-visual experience, and it becomes a device that suits professionals, creators, students, and anyone who just wants great entertainment. It genuinely feels ready for anything. That wraps up today's experience. If you're curious, you can check out HarmonyOS 2 and the MatePad Edge in person at a nearby store. The base model starts at 59.99 yuan in China, which is around 603 pounds in the UK, or about $806 in the US. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.